Rewarded Play and Bingo Cash use different earning models, so the better app depends on whether you prefer earning through games or competing in cash-based challenges. By the end, you'll know how Rewarded Play and Bingo Cash work, how their earning systems differ, and which type of user each app fits better. Rewarded Play is designed around playing supported mobile games and earning rewards based on your activity. The app focuses on tracking your progress in selected games and giving coins after completing qualifying actions. To use Rewarded Play, you choose available games inside the app, install or access them through the required process, and complete the listed goals. Bingo Cash works differently because it is built around bingo-style gameplay and competitive challenges. Instead of simply progressing through games for rewards, users participate in bingo matches and competitions that may involve different entry requirements. The biggest difference is the earning style. Rewarded Play is better suited for people who prefer slower progress while playing mobile games they already enjoy. Bingo Cash is designed for users who prefer faster game sessions and competitive formats. With Rewarded Play, your focus is completing game milestones. With Bingo Cash, your focus is performing well during bingo matches. Another difference is the type of commitment required. Rewarded Play usually requires patience because rewards depend on reaching specific game progress points. Bingo Cash requires attention during gameplay because results depend on how you perform in individual matches. Before choosing either app, check the reward terms, available activities, and requirements inside each app. The right choice depends on your goal. Choose Rewarded Play if you want a game-based rewards app where progress builds over time. Choose Bingo Cash if you prefer competitive bingo gameplay and short challenge-based sessions. Neither app guarantees earnings, and the amount of rewards you receive depends on your activity and the offers available to you. The main points are simple. Rewarded Play focuses on completing game goals, Bingo Cash focuses on competitive bingo matches, and the better option depends on your preferred way to play. Open both apps and compare the available games and reward options before spending your time on either one. Subscribe for more reward app comparisons, earning guides, and troubleshooting tutorials. And like the video if this comparison helped you choose between Rewarded Play and Bingo Cash.